Paper War Part 2. Man, you're not gonna survive much longer, you stupid pigs. You hear me? I said you ain't gonna last much longer. Whatever, we have the Guardian Charlie Brown on our side. What are you looking at, punk? I ain't looking at nothing. I thought you got arrested again. Well, yeah. Once before, and once for Grand Theft Mountain 2. Whatever. We're just gonna finish you off. He killed our Uncle John, and not to mention T. He killed Joe and Zach. Zach was my best friend. Now he killed my third self. Now I only have two of myself. Wait. Say that again. I only have two of myself. Two selves, huh? That's all you need. Please watch this waiting music. Well, you won't really watch this waiting music, but please enjoy staring at Ron the Lightbulb's ugly face. Screw Ron the Lightbulb's ugly face. We will play waiting music for you nice people. Okay? You might not really like it, but we don't really like you either. Just think how waiting music feels. And you say you don't like it. Okay? Well, okay. Can you develop into two? I already did. Happy birthday! Shut up. Okay, now, this is the time where we beat up the pigs! And we're gonna kill them. What was that? Did they just say they're gonna kill me? Oh, crap, I'm scared. Shut up, they're not gonna really kill us. Alright, throw it in the hole, guys! Okay. Here you go, Steve. That is not Steve, but it's Steve up, dummy! Whee! Target sighted. Boom! Oh! My wife! No! Don't worry, little piggy. You're gonna get beat up soon. No, not next to Woody. No! Hey, you're looking fine today. No! I made it alive. No one treats my wife like that. You get to watch the boringness of the stupid show. No, not this show. I hate it. Why do you hate this show? It's an awesome show. Let's look at the part where Bob gets run over. Wait a second, Bob? Holy crap, Bob's the cameraman. No, Bob's not the cameraman. Bob is not the cameraman? No. I am! Really? Yeah. Bob died like 3 months ago. Oh, Dad, you didn't tell me? You look pretty awesome, though. Nice hair. My hair? Nice bracelets, too. Yeah, you look awesome. No wonder your girlfriend dates you. Shut up! Shut up! Ow! What the crap? I'm not even in this. I'm the director. Yeah, I'm just some. I'm your friend. Huh? Give me back my wife. Oh no. His powers are too irresistible. Thank you, buddy. Think of me as a friend, not your enemy. Oh, you stupid cameraman! I hate this show! Holy crap. Okay, we gotta go! I don't know my special attack! Holy crap! Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know your special attack either.
Well, I don't know my special attack. That got something to do with this. I don't know.
Probably not. Yeah, probably not. Stop copying me. Well, I am you. There's two of me. There's two of you. Oh, there's two of me too. Okay. You can do this. Guys, I might want some help over here. Shut up! Oh, yeah, I'm gonna beat it. Oh. Stop it! Oops. Play my theme song. That's our theme song. Oh. My theme song. No, down. Down isn't even on here? I don't know. Is it? Here we go. Ready for action. Ready for action. Ready. Huh? What are you doing? What? Oh! 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 No! No! I'm not going down! I'm not going down! Say your last words, punk! Okay, get in front of me. No. I hate this show. I hate this show. I hate it. I hate it. Why did that song just start playing? No, I'm thinking. Bird. My special power! What was that? Crap, I don't know what to do anymore! You sorely miss. What are you doing? What? Fight! Now!
Ow.
Damn! Yay, everyone's dead. Not quite everyone. What do you mean? What? Happy birthday! Holy crap. Oh no, he's too awesome! Oh! He's too awesome! Make it stop! Make it stop! He's too awesome! That's right. Boom, boom, boom! Remember me? That's right, Shadow! Huh? You're back from the dead? You never killed me. Oh. Wait, I thought I did. Oh no! Robin, sit back here! Wait, you weren't the awesome guy. I'm the awesome guy holding the camera. What the crap? Oh, duh. Yeah, I'm not awesome enough to have these awesome bracelets. Look who is awesome enough! Yay! Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Die. Okay. Okay, and you just... What? Did you just die? Yes. I'm tired of watching this show! Okay, that's it. I'm taking your job! No, never mind. I'll go away. Bye.